Now solve the inequality 3x plus 4y is less than or equal to 12 graphically. Firstly, we convert the given equation into equation. Into equation. We have 3x plus 4y equal 12. Now put x equal when this line cuts x-axis at this point. Y equals 0 at x-axis, y equals 0. We have 3x plus 0 equal 12 and value of x is 4 when y-axis, then x equals 0. We have 0 plus 4y equal 12, means value of y is 3. It means given line cuts x-axis, cuts both axes at point 4, 0 x-axis and 0, 3 y-axis respectively. It is y-axis and it is x-axis. And since the given line cuts x-axis at 4, 0, that it is point 4, 0 and it is point 0, 3, 4, 0 and 0, 3, and it is required line. It is line 3x plus 4y is less than 12. Now since the solution set is the region above side the line or below side, for we put x equals 0 and y equals 0 in 3x plus 4y is less than or equal to 12, then 0 is less than or equal to 12, which is true. That is 0, 0 will lie in the solution set of 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 12. Since 0, 0 will lie in the solution set of 3x plus 4y is less than or equal to 12, it means we take the region below side the line 3x plus 4y equal 12. It is 3x plus 4y equal 12. If there is 3x plus 4y is less than 12, then this line is not included. Means we take the region below 3x plus 4y is like it. Means these arrows are at some distance from the line 3x plus 4y equal 12. Means 3x plus 4y is not equal to 12. It is less than 12. But here it is less than or equal to, then we touch these arrow to the line. We touch these arrow to the line and shade this portion. It is shaded portion. Then the shaded region is the solution set of 3x plus 4y less than 12.